Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can have a slow motion video on a Snapchat without any previous editing, without any third-party apps, just using Snapchat. It's really easy. So let's not waste any more time and go on Snapchat. And once you're on Snapchat, you obviously want to film your video. Let's just make a random video. Doesn't really matter what it's about. And once I've done that, what I need to do is either swipe left or right between the filters. Actually, Snapchat has a slow motion filter built in. That's what we are going to use. Just scroll until you see the little snail. I'm going to do it again just so you see it. As you can see right here in the middle of my screen, a snail appeared, which means that that video has been put in slow motion. And from here on, I can just send it to whoever I want to send it. For example, my story. And I'm going to send it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you have a slow motion video on Snapchat without any third-party apps or whatever. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next one. Cheers!